I tried KL2pro free Robux Roblox app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. KL2pro claims to provide free Robux for Roblox players, but most people get this wrong. They assume apps promising free Robux are scams or unsafe. I spent a week testing it to see what really happens. On day 1, I explored the app. The interface looked professional, but the surprising truth is that appearances can be deceiving. Many people get tricked by slick design, thinking the app is legitimate. By day 2, I attempted to claim Robux. You won't believe what happens next. The app requires surveys, account access, or personal information. Most people assume these are harmless steps, but in reality, they pose serious risks, including potential scams or malware. Day 4, I researched app legitimacy. Every credible source and Roblox community forum warns that apps claiming free Robux are scams. Roblox explicitly states that free Robux apps are unsafe and can result in banned accounts. By day 6, I tested account security. As expected, the app did not deliver any Robux, and it attempted to collect sensitive information. The shocking truth: no legitimate app can give free Robux. These offers are almost always traps. On day 7, my final verdict: KL2pro free Robux Roblox app is unsafe, unreliable, and potentially harmful. Most people get this wrong by believing it will work, but in reality, there is no shortcut to Robux that doesn't come directly through Roblox. For Roblox players, the safest path is to purchase Robux through official channels or earn them by legitimate Roblox methods. The app is a classic example of how something that looks enticing can be extremely risky in practice.